Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today also discuss the continuation of the AP from the M.L. Agrawal. You know already the M.L. Agrawal book, and this is the 2025 edition suppose, and the exercise is 9.3. Okay, but today just discuss a certain touch. Previous video I just proved here from the books. A is actually n by 2 bracket a plus l. A plus L. That is the formula, I prove it. But suppose I take today, this is just a clear conception from this. Clear conception. Why this? Sn is equal to, just I repeat, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L, and other is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. From there, because the two formulas sum Sn is equal to 2a n minus 1 into d. But this is a formula, just I easily prove. Suppose we take 6 number, suppose just 6 number. Suppose the first term is a, common difference is d, a plus d, and the third term is a plus 2d. Let the last term is l. So this is l, the previous this l minus d, and this is l plus l minus 2d. 6 terms. I just take 6 terms. So first term is a. A is the first term. A first term a, common difference d, common difference d, and the last term l. So what is the series if the 6 terms are there? 6 terms are there. Let us take the n is 6. Okay. So this is a. Now a plus d, a plus 2d. From the last, this is l minus d, a minus d. So what is the sum? What is the sum of the total? Now, what is the sum? If you add it, a plus d, a plus 2d, and this is l minus, the pin is problem created, l minus 2d plus l minus d plus l. This is a sum. No problem, don't be panic. In which way it will come? Actually, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. In the book, these are Sn plus Sn. I just already proved there. Now discuss very easily. Now for 6 terms. A plus d, a plus 2, the last term is there. L minus, L minus 2. Cut off. If you add it, now cut off. This minus plus. So what is this? A, 3a. And this is L, only L. L is left, 3L. So 3 is common, a plus L. That means Sn. So if actually in place of 3, S6, Sn6. So in place of 6, n is 6. 6 by 2, a plus L. Just you read. Sn, n by 2, a plus L. This is the ultimate answer. But if you turn to the n term, there is the n term. N is here is 6. That 3 is 6. 6 into 2, this is 3. So in place of 3, you write 6 by 2 because the term is 6. That means actually if there is the number of terms is n, so in place of this is Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. No problem. If there is a 6 term, what is the ultimate answer? যখন ছখানা টার্ম থাকবে, if there is a 6 term, what is the ultimate answer? This is the ultimate answer. এটাকেই তুমি লিখতে পারো in place of 3, 6 by 2 a plus l. This is same as 3 bracket a plus l, that is same as 6 by 2 a plus l, and here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms. That means when the term is 6 by 2, right? Ultimate answer is this. If there is n terms, you write n by 2 a plus l. আমি ব্যাপারটা বোঝাতে পারছি? It's clear. Why we take Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. In case of the books, this is the Sn patient. সেটাও আমি দেখাবো। But একটা ছোট করে example, certain ইজি আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডের জন্য আমি ধরে নিলাম ইন কেস দিস আর 6 টার্মস, ছখানা টার্ম আছে, 6 টার্মস। ফার্স্ট টার্ম ইজ এ, সেকেন্ড টার্ম ইজ a plus d because the common difference is d, third term is a plus 2d, and the last term suppose l, before this is a l minus d, last before this is a l minus d. The total term is 6. If you add it, so a plus d, a plus 2d, this is the l minus d and l. So plus d minus d minus d 2d minus cut. So what is the total a? 3a and 3. So 3 is common. So that means Sn, the sum of this term is Sn is equal to 3 bracket a plus a. In place of 3, we write 3, 6 by 2, you write same. But why we write? Because there is a 6 terms. So it will prove that if there is a 6 terms, so 6 by 2 a plus a. If there is n terms, so same as n by 2 a plus a, n by 2 bracket a plus a. Is clear? But in the books, that is certain complicated. Just I showing in the book, the previous video I just already proving, but today you just clear this. Why this? Suppose Sn is equal to a plus, sorry, in your book a plus d, sorry, a plus 2d, okay, dot 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 up to n terms. From the last, this is l, this l minus d, this l minus 2d, okay, up to n term. Now from the last term you write l minus d, l minus 2d, dot dot dot, this is a plus 2d, a plus d, and this is a. In this way, from the starting, this is a plus d, a plus 2d, this is this l minus d. From the last, l minus d, s minus 2d. In the books, the discuss. In the book, this is a sum. Sum means this is Sn and Sn, that is 2 of Sn. That is equal to, here you just see dd is out, minus d out, this is plus d minus d out, this is this. That means what is the total? Here is a ultimate, all are actually n times. N times is clear. So this is actually a plus l, a n times, l is n times, so a plus l n times, a plus l into l. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Is clear? For that reason, in the books in this way, a, all the a's are n times, l also n times, so a plus l n times. So Sn is, this is 2, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. So same is this. Okay, so in this way in the books prove, but I just for your easy calculation, I just take the 6 terms. So in this way prove it the previous. Okay, so clear? Now I just discussed today one sum from the ML Agrawal. Okay, this is clear. Why in the books this is math. Okay, very important thing is formula must be remembered. Okay, no problem, formula তোমরা মুখস্থ রাখবে, but in which way the formula is coming, the deduction is very important. If you forget the formula, the concept must be clear, you do all these sums. Okay, for that reason I just deduct this. Okay, now one sum today I just discuss here. Here is ML Agrawal 9.3, a sum number 3v, sum number 3v. What is the sum? Sum is given a is 3, n is 8, s means the sum is 192. Find d. What is d? No problem. In that way, you don't know the last term l, so you cannot use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. You use the formula here. That is very important thing. কোন ফর্মুলাটা কখন কাজে লাগে? n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. You just use the formula. Why? Because here is given this. On the basis of the given data, you just select which formula you apply. এইগুলো দেখে তোমায় বুঝে নিতে হবে কোন ফর্মুলাটা তুমি অ্যাপ্লাই করবে। এখানে এল নেই, সো ইউ ডোন্ট নট ইউজ দ্য ফর্মুলা Sn. You cannot use this formula here. n by 2 bracket a plus n. You cannot use it. You know this, you know it, but it's not known. And not, here is d also not unknown, and l is unknown. From there you cannot use this. Okay, clear? If the find out the last term, then you use it. Now here just Sn means is 192. That is very easy, but must be careful in the calculation. N is 8 by 2 bracket 2 into a is okay. A is 3. Here is n is 8 minus 1 and this is d. This is 4. Just a calculation, no problem at all. This 192. 3, 32, 48. Suppose maybe the calculation must be very careful. Maybe I also mistake in the calculation. Okay, so very important thing is this. This is 4. So this is 48 coming this 4. So this 48 is equal to this is 6 plus 7d. So 48 minus 6, this is 42. That is equal to 7d. So d is equal to 42 by 7. So this is 6. This is the ultimate answer. So d is 6. Okay. So in this way you solve the sum. No problem at all. Clear? Concept must be clear. Okay. So this is for today. If you just understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.